open enrollment is a very set period. And that's the time when you're allowed to pick your insurance plan. So everyone is doing that at the same time. And it just feels like if you're anticipating talking to somebody for your needs and trying to figure out, it might be harder to get a hold of somebody. And there's usually one person that's like, I'm your point of contact. For example, the employer that I have right now has probably 200, 300 employees. And so if all of those 300 employees want to go and talk to that one person, that seems like a big ask.
It is. I will say this. Your point of contact person is going to be based off of your organization. And yes, while they may have other organizations as well, there are definitely some that have to deal with someone else. So your point of contact person for your insurance company, if we had the same type of plan, my contact person may not be the same. So they do still kind of shorten that a little bit. I think it's also important to remember that they also have a team of people behind them. So whereas they're your point of contact, they can delegate that to someone else to actually help navigate that as well. So I still feel that is one of the best options available when it comes to something so strategic. I also will say that human resources, if you're in a facility or an office that has a human resources person or someone who is in the office really good navigating insurance, that is also a great resource. Really just sit down and talk it out with a friend even. Here's what I need. Here's what these are. What do you think? Because you should be given like a booklet or some sort of information, whether it's a website address or something on these types of plans and the options available. And so you compare. I guess you'd say open enrollment is not meant to only put off on someone else. It is for you to navigate a little bit. You're going to have to research it. You're going to have to look at it and understand or try your best to understand what it means. But don't be afraid to reach out for help if you can. If you just do not get it and it's something that's too hard for you to follow, 100% before you make a choice, reach out to someone. Don't just choose something because the numbers look better on paper. Make sure it's going to be something that fits your needs.